It's looking pretty good. My biggest accomplishment all quarantine, making this for Momo. She loves it. Speaking of Momo, look at her. Sweet angel. Ooh, it is so nice out. Oh my God. Feels like spring. Yeah, sorry, this video might be kind of low. This video might be a little bit. Trav and I are just gonna like dust off the cobwebs today. Just try to, you know, get better. Try to remember the songs that we learned. The best. It's beautiful. Asked Travis to meet a little bit early today, and I'm running late for being early. Oh my God, there's a cat. That cat. Meow. Just waiting for Travis on the corner. Not sure which direction he's coming from, but just keeping my eyes peeled. Yeah, I don't know, nothing else exciting going on. Painted my nails, did such a bad job, but just wanted to look extra pretty for you today. You like the pink? Ooh, it's Sally Hansen, it's vegan. Also, my palm's all healed. Still kind of hurts, but worth it. Is that Travis? It's gotta be Travis. I know that walk anywhere. That's Travis, right there.
That was like a 40-minute walk. Holy fuck.
Yeah? Fuck, no way. Oh yeah. Holy fuck, looks good. Made it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, boy.
This is nice. Good lighting in here.
Dude, this one's fucking crazy.
This is sick.
Walk in the shower, can't hear over the water. Cold skin burns hotter. You smell like a flower. Walk in the shower, can't hear over the water. Cold skin burns hotter. You smell like a flower. Don't look down. Don't look down. Drop the signal, drop the beat.
Where are we? This is crazy. She's holding a dolphin. We sounded good. Look at that. Already chipped a nail.
Birds are weird, bro. If it flies, I don't trust it.
It knows what you just said.
See, like, it's talking to the fucking camera, bro. It's just like, yo.
It goes, yo,
These guys are sus.
I spent the whole drive home listening to our new songs. They've been mixed, they've been mastered, and they just sound fucking sick. Like, They like the new songs, like they knock on the whip. Like I'm like fucking amped to hear them. Yeah, wear your mask. Wear your fucking. New music next Friday.